Are you building business applications with Dynamics 365 or the Microsoft Power Platform? If you've had experience with Microsoft Business Applications projects before, you might remember the SureStep methodology. Microsoft created SureStep to help partners provide a more consistent implementation approach. The problem is that SureStep is a traditional sequential methodology that relies on producing comprehensive documentation before producing any working software. It tries to cover up the challenges of not engaging your users throughout the project and not building software in an iterative, incremental way that allows your users to give you feedback as you go. I worked on one of the early SureStep projects in London in 2006, and it was hard. It was hard. We had to redo the analysis phase 3 times. I don't want that for your business applications project. Trouble is, even though Microsoft has retired SureStep, too many partners are still using it or something similar, an old waterfall approach. Those projects run late, cost more than expected, don't react at all well to changing requirements, and when you get squeezed at the end of the development phase, and you will get squeezed, they are miserable to work on. Your teams feel burned out, and your stakeholders are upset because they didn't get the outcomes they hoped for. You deserve a better project than that. Your users deserve a better business application than that. In 2008, I wrote a requirement specification and a design document that was hundreds of pages long. Debbie, my project sponsor, thought it was ambiguous, incomplete, and filled with jargon. She didn't want to wait 12 months before seeing some testable software. She wanted to see working prototypes as often as possible. Neither of us knew it at the time, but we needed to switch to an agile software development framework like Scrum. I teamed up with another Microsoft partner who were much more experienced in Scrum. Over the course of the next 18 months, we built a business application for Debbie that was so incredible, her company was acquired by an industry giant because of their leading-edge technology. It took me several projects before I really began to get Scrum, and several years before I got my first Scrum certification. I created the Scrum for Microsoft Business Applications course so that you can learn Scrum quickly in a matter of hours, and you'll be ready for your first Scrum certification exam. With Scrum, you'll be able to shrink your timeline, slash your budget, and mitigate technical risks while building Dynamics 365 and Power Platform apps that everyone will love. And your team will have a lot more fun too. After their first Scrum project, dozens of my team members have told me it's been the highlight of their business apps career. There are other Scrum training options available. The basic certified Scrum Master or Professional Scrum Master courses are 2 days of classroom training and cost well over $1,000 upfront. If you're a Microsoft partner, they cost even more in lost billable time. My course is online and available in bite-sized chunks whenever you have the time. Best yet, it's specific to Microsoft Business Applications projects. There are videos filled with my proven practices from my projects and several real-life case studies to help you put Scrum into action in your next project. You'll learn all the content you need to get started with Scrum, the theory of Scrum, its accountabilities, events, and artifacts. There are quizzes along the way to help you test yourself and cement your learning. You'll also get access to a community of other Microsoft Business Apps professionals who are using Scrum too. It's a great place for supporting each other, holding each other accountable, and answering each other's questions. If you take the Ultimate or Team plan, your Scrum.org PSM1 certification fee is included. It's usually $150. And you'll get access to private coaching calls and other bonuses. And if you want to go on and take the Scrum.org PSM1 exam, then there's a practice exam with similar questions, timing, and pass grade to the real exam included in the course. Hundreds of business apps professionals just like you have taken my course. Dozens of them have become certified professional Scrum Masters. I've loved celebrating their success, and I look forward to celebrating yours. I'm on a mission to help everyone, especially you, use the Scrum framework to successfully implement Microsoft Business Applications. So let's go. Click on the button or the link below, join in, and we'll get started.